Hello friends, it's Miss Nora here at the CH Booth Library, and I am here today to make a haunted house with you. We will have grab and go bags with all of these parts in them for you to pick up at curbside pickup out front of the CH Booth Library or in the children's department, or this week, weather permitting, on the days that our patio is open. So inside the bag is everything you need to make a haunted house. You, of course, can add anything you'd like from your own supplies. All you need to add is a glue stick or tape and markers or crayons or whatever you'd like to draw on the parts of the house with. So let's get started. I have a black piece of paper because I thought it would be fun to do a nighttime haunted house. This is my house, and this is the roof. So there's a triangle in the bag for the roof, and then there are some window shapes in the bag. I have folded the edges of the window so that you can put the glue here, and that way when we put it on the house, the windows will be able to open and we can see what's inside the house. So I chose to draw some window panes on this window. I have purple windows in there that match the house. Again, they're folded so that you can tape right along the edge so that they open. I have another window. This window I added a spider to because there's always cobwebs and spiders lurking around a haunted house. There's a rectangle piece of purple paper in there that I'm using as the door. Again, the edge is folded so that you can tape it or glue it on. I've added a doorknob and a window, and I've written beware on it. You might want to have a happy Halloween house, and you could write welcome on it instead of beware, instead of being spooky. There's a small triangular piece of purple paper in there, and I've made that into a chimney, and I am going to put that right up here on the roof. There are also there's also some circles in there for you to use. I took the yellow circle and I wanted it to be a full Halloween moon. I think this year on Halloween, it's a full, we've had our harvest moon. I think Halloween this year is a blue moon. So you could use a blue piece of paper and put a blue moon up there if you wanted. There's some orange circles in there, and I use the orange circles to make pumpkins for my house. And so there you have that. There's also lots of stickers in there for you to decorate with. So I have a pumpkin sticker here, and I'm going to add, that's kind of an evil pumpkin, and I'm going to put that there. I have a ghost sticker. You're going to have all different stickers. So I'm going to put him coming out of the chimney. I have a witch sticker that I'm going to put at the front door so she can greet everyone when they come in. I'm going to I have a Dracula sticker, and I'm going to put him up in the attic. And I have a cat. He's peeking out of a witch's hat, and he's in the upstairs bedroom. And I'm going to put him there so that when you open up, you can see the cat in the house. And you can get as fancy as you like with the drawings. So everything's in the bag. I hope you have fun creating your own haunted house. And we will see you soon. Take care.